It begins here, in the receiving yard, where thousands of board feet of premium cedar arrive daily. The essential...
Watch the left side. Easy now, bring it down slow.
Here at the inspection stage, the cedar timber is meticulously checked for any natural defects. The precision scanner ensures every dimension is exact.
The automator handling system carefully guides the cedar onto the main conveyor before moving toward the cutters. Here, the synchronized mechanism slices the rods into perfectly uniform short core pieces.
Transferred into the kiln, the cores undergo controlled thermal treatment, a critical step that develops their required hardness and writing characteristics. The vibratory feeder gently separates the cores into evenly spaced channels. A synchronized gripper picks up a single...
The synchronized nozzles apply a thin layer of specialized wood adhesive directly into the channels, preparing the slats for the graphite cores. Once the graphite cores are in place, a second cedar slat is precisely lowered, creating the pencil sandwich.
The laminated blocks enter the CNC machine, where precision cutters rapidly shave the excess cedar. Next, the hexagonal cedar bodies receive their first coat of primer in a high-tech spray chamber, ensuring a flawless finish. In the multi-lane color finishing section, synchronized heads apply smooth, green, and premium yellow lacquer. Automated coating rollers apply a smooth, professional blue lacquer. The freshly coated pencils then enter a long, controlled drying. Pencils are precisely aligned before the high-speed cutting wheel squares the rear end. Our technician performs a final quality check using a precision gauge. The rotating fixtures allow high-resolution cameras to examine the sharpened graphite point from multiple angles, checking for centering and symmetry.
The sorted pencils enter the automated assembly line. A precision counting system selects exactly 6, grouped by robotic.
The optical sorter is logging the count now. We're clear for the next run.
Excellent. We need to get this shipment ready by 1500.
The automated pick-and-place arms precisely arrange the 6-count packs into sturdy corrugated shipping cartons, ensuring maximum efficiency and protection. The machine applies a tight layer of transparent film, securing the 48,000 pencils on the pallet before it is moved to the shipping area. Using a handheld scanner, the worker logs the identification label, ensuring accurate inventory and seamless tracking. With the trailer now fully loaded, the shipment leaves the factory, bound for distribution centers nationwide. The finished pencils, in classic red, green, yellow, and blue, are now ready for the retail market. In the final quality control stage, the 6 pencils, featuring vibrant red, green, yellow, and blue finishes,